Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make root beer in Dreamlight Valley. To get started, you'll need to gather 3 specific ingredients. This delicious beverage is a 3-star recipe, meaning it's relatively simple to prepare. Once crafted, it's a fantastic way to replenish your character's energy, helping you continue your adventures across the valley. Now, let's talk about where to find these essential items. You can forage for ginger in the spooky Forgotten Lands, so be sure to explore that area thoroughly. Vanilla, a fragrant spice, is found growing in the sunny sunlit plateau. Finally, for sugarcane, head over to Goofy's stall on Dazzle Beach, where you can purchase it directly or buy seeds to grow your own. It's important to note there's also an extra fizzy root beer for a specific quest. This special version requires dried ginger, which is different from the regular ginger. You'll typically obtain dried ginger as a quest item from a chest within the Vitali's mines. Using regular ginger will only make standard root beer, so be careful not to mix them up for the quest. Once you have all your ingredients, simply head to any cooking station in the valley. Place 1 ginger, 1 vanilla, and 1 sugarcane into the pot to create your root beer. If you're making the extra fizzy version for a quest, remember to use the dried ginger. This special brew is crucial for clearing those stubborn night thorns in the Vitali's mines. Also, be sure to check the description for a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.